In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamp on YouTube video after uploaded. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I uploaded lots of video. Now I choose this video only for example. You can see here is a no timestamp. Two ways you can add a timestamp on your video. Number one, description box. Number two, comment box. I would like to add on description. I have already generated a tribe stamp, so I need to just paste on here. You can see I generate this tribe stamp using chat GPT. So now you can see 0.00 second to 0.9 second introduction, 18 second pre-credit, open the dubbing tool and upload a video, lots of things at this chat GPT. I created this only for example purpose. So you can see my video longer 1.58 second and it is also long 1.58 second. Now if I click on save, that's automatically save on my video and showing you timestamp. That's it. Number two option, just playing this video. Then if I click on the playing fast, then you can add on comment box your timestamp. Okay, it's working. Thanks for watching. See you again.